Today, I am reviewing YougetTech 75L Evaporative Air Cooler. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you've been searching for a heavy-duty cooling solution for large outdoor or semi-outdoor areas, the YougetTech 75L Evaporative Air Cooler is definitely worth a closer look. This isn't your average household fan. It's built for power, durability, and large-scale cooling. Let's start with what makes this cooler stand out. With an airflow capacity of 6,500 cubic feet per minute, it's capable of pushing out a massive volume of cool air. Thanks to its 90-degree horizontal oscillation and 90-degree vertical oscillation, this cooler doesn't just blow air in one direction. It distributes it evenly across spaces as large as 2,600 square feet. That makes it ideal for warehouses, workshops, garages, patios, event spaces, or even large residential backyards. The next big highlight is its 75-liter or 20-gallon water tank. With a tank this large, you can keep the cooler running continuously for 5 to 10 hours without needing a refill. Plus, you get two options for adding water. You can fill it manually through the inlet or connect a garden hose for automatic refilling. This makes it especially convenient for longer usage, since you won't have to constantly monitor the water level. A built-in water indicator helps you keep track, so you'll always know when it's time for a refill. Mobility is another area where this model shines. Despite weighing just over 70 pounds, it's surprisingly easy to move. The cooler is equipped with 4 heavy-duty rolling casters, 2 with brakes and 2 without, so you can easily push it around and then lock it in place. There are also handles on both sides, making repositioning simple. For a unit this powerful, having that level of portability is a huge advantage. Now, let's talk about energy efficiency. This cooler runs on just 400 watts of power, which is very low compared to traditional air conditioning systems. That means you're saving money on energy bills while also choosing a more eco-friendly cooling method. Instead of refrigerants, it uses the natural process of evaporative cooling, which adds moisture to the air and creates a fresher, more breathable environment, perfect for dry climates. Performance-wise, the YougetTech cooler uses 3-sided honeycomb cooling pads, which provide stronger cooling compared to standard cellulose pads. These pads are highly absorbent and permeable, allowing water to circulate effectively while maximizing the cooling effect. Combined with a powerful airflow, the result is fast and effective cooling that you'll notice immediately. When it comes to controls, this cooler keeps things simple but reliable. The built-in mechanical control panel features just 3 straightforward buttons: one for adjusting the 7 speed levels, one for turning the pump on and off, and one for enabling or disabling the oscillation function. This minimalist approach means there's very little that can go wrong, and you won't need to fumble with complicated settings. Just set it how you like, and enjoy the breeze. Finally, let's talk about build quality. The cooler is constructed from durable polypropylene material, which is tough enough to withstand frequent use in outdoor or industrial environments. At over 53 inches tall, it has a commanding presence, but still manages to be slim enough to fit into corners without taking up too much floor space. Overall, the YougetTech 75L Evaporative Air Cooler is an excellent choice for anyone needing serious cooling power. It's perfect for commercial spaces, outdoor events, factories, and even large residential patios. With its large water tank, automatic refill option, energy efficiency, and wide coverage area, it offers a reliable and eco-friendly alternative to air conditioning. If you're tired of small fans that barely make a difference and you need a cooling solution that can handle big spaces with ease, this model is definitely worth considering. It combines power, convenience, and durability in a single package, and for its price, it's hard to beat.